Hello guys, what's up? How are you? Hope you're feeling good about smooth low portion. In this video I'm talking about the price prediction of SLP coin, guys. Let's start the video, guys, but before starting this video, please subscribe my channel for more news and updates videos about smooth low portion. The right now price of smooth low portion in the market is going negative. You can see here that is last 7 days price chart. 7 days update. Negative 14.11% changes occurs in this SLP coin. The right now price is here 0.087524 USD dollar. That is the right now price of SLP coin. If you look the highest price of smooth low portion, so 0.103664 USD dollar, that is a highest price of SLP coin in the last 7 days. And absolutely you can see here on 15 September the price taken a quick jump, huge pump, but unfortunately again the price dumps, and now in the latest situation SLP coin is in the dumping mode, guys. Anyways, thanks for watching this video. What you think? What is your opinion? My prediction is positive. I believe that after this falls the price will again pump. After this falls the price will again pump. So that's why I recommend for you to please hold. Don't decide to sell. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more news and updates videos.